What's up, folks? It's your boy James R. Davis Sr. coming to you live with another real crypto talk. Folks, today is March the 2nd, 2021, and I'm looking at my battery here. I need to go get my plug, so I'm gonna make this quick. But anyway, welcome. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications. We're gonna jump right into the markets. Let's see who are the big winners for the past 24 hours? Curve Dial token up 24%. Um, Engine coin is up 20%. You guys want to definitely keep your eyes on that. Theta Fuel is up 13%. NIM is up 15%. Theta is up 12%. Compound is up 10%. Energy Web token is up 9%. Chainlink is up 8%. Synthetics is up 8%. Sushi is up 8%. Incredible, folks. What's on sale? ZK Swap is down 11.35%. Phantom down 9.16%. OKB down 7%. Pancake Swap down 6.70%. Cardano is on sale, down 6.45%. You know, a lot of you guys are going to probably scoop some of that up. Hot is down 6%. So the market cap 1.468 trillion dollars over the past 24 hours, 122 billion. BTC's dominance is 60.8%. Ethereum is 11.8%. And the gas fees are absolutely ridiculous on Ethereum. I tell you the truth, man. It's wild, folks. So let's go look at some headlines for today. Ave gotchas sell out in under 1 minute as NFT euphoria continues. Ave gotchas. What in the hell is Ave gotchas? I missed the news on that one. I need to do my research on that one. You can now buy a used Hyundai with Bitcoin, not just a Lambo, is in the news. Sony Europe joins Theta blockchain validator program. It's probably one of the reasons why Theta is trending right now. Sony Europe, that's big news, folks, for Theta. Evolve's file for Ether ETF with Canadian regulators. Canada is definitely making strides with these ETF funds. I tell you, folks, you're going to know the difference when the United States finally approves an ETF. You're going to notice the difference in the price. Trust me. Litecoin creator draws parallel between 2021's NFTs and 2017's ICO mania. That was a big deal, folks. A lot of us made a lot of money in ICOs, which is initial coin offerings, which is the same thing as an initial public offering. You know, you're just having the inside scoop on cryptos before they launch and hit the public. So a lot of us, a lot of us made a lot of money, and one of those ICOs that we got in on was Electronium, and you may want to do your research on that token. It's probably trending up right about now. If I go look it up, let's go take a look and see what Electronium is doing right now. There it is, ETN. It's down to 232nd spots. It's up 3.66%. It's back up to a penny. I think I sold at 16 cents, somewhere around there. Yep, around 16 cents. Yep, sure did. Sold around 16 cents, right at the top of that thing, man. I think about 16.01, somewhere around there. I know right at 16, because I know I put my target price at 16. I said, man, this thing is gonna turn around. This thing gonna turn around. A couple of my buddies sold at a pretty high price as well. Yeah, a lot of us made some money, man, and we probably, man, some of us spent less than $1,000 and flipped it to four, five, six, $700,000, man, on these ICOs. So yeah, he's right. You know, you know, NFTs right now. If you know what to look for and where to look and how to get notified on these different things, man, you can make a lot of money. Seriously, seriously. and NFTs is a completely different ball game from the ICO boom, but he's just kind of drawing the parallels between the excitement and the mania and the wealth that is being created back in 2017 because a lot of people got rich in 2017 with ICOs. I'm talking about in a matter of 3-4 months. I'm talking about for real, for real. People got filthy freaking rich fucking with these ICOs back in 2017, and a lot of people lost money too because there were fraudulent projects and so forth. That's why you don't really see them that much anymore because the SEC and the Alphabet Boys basically had to really shut that thing down. I don't blame them because you really want to make sure that you're investing into a good project. But I probably can relate to Charlie Lee. Yep. Enterprise meets DeFi. Organizations work towards adopting blockchain tech. No, Goldman Sachs isn't a bearish indicator for Bitcoin. Turkish finance ministry to study cryptocurrency with local regulators. Thai SEC forced to clarify proposed crypto rules after public backlash. En route to 200K question mark. Bitcoin closes February 26% above stock to flow model price. That's fucking impressive. That is impressive. Man, Bitcoin's compound annual growth is unheard of 200%. That's insane, guys. Think about that. If you held an asset for 10 years and it increased over 200% every year, that's absolutely insane. All right. So, yeah. Let's hop into some detailed news in just a second. Let's look at some more headlines. Bitfarms targets 5% of Bitcoin's hash rate with 48,000 new miners. Damn. Powerful. Sports token startup Chili's invest 50 million in US expansion. Thailand SEC backtracks on crypto trading restrictions. Canadian Bitcoin ETF issuer Evolve plans Ethereum ETF. MoneyGram hit with a class action lawsuit over a Ripple partnership. Damn, it's crazy, but it's just cost of doing business, pretty much to them. They know what time it is. UK budget, because I mean, listen, this lawsuit with Ripple. I mean, come on, guys. I mean, the SEC, Jack Clayton out the door, filed a lawsuit. They've been having dinner with these guys for 8 years. Come on, man. What you? Anyway, yeah, it's just cost of doing business. UK budget: Bitcoin holders could face massive capital gains tax hike. Damn, it's crazy. It's one thing. It's only one of the few things I don't like about Biden's administration with the taxes on uh, all this stuff. But anyway, yeah. See, where's the trust in the $150 million NFT art market? Good question. Let's look at some detailed news real quick. I'm going to do this one first. State Street would be the fund administrator for VanEx pending Bitcoin ETF. The global custodian would custody ETF shares and provide fund accounting if the ETF approved by the SEC. Guys, this is probably one of the biggest pieces of news that's going to hit the market. If this thing is approved, you're going to see everybody talking about this. if they get this thing approved, everybody's going to be talking about it. But you know who I feel is going to get it approved first? Um, man, it's at the top of my tongue. I can't even think of it right now. It'll come to me in just a second. Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs is probably going to be the first, ETF here in America that gets approved by the SEC. That's just my opinion. Anyway, the global custodian would custody ETF shares and provide fund accounting if the ETF is approved by the SEC. Boston-based State Street would act as the fund administrator and transfer agent for a Bitcoin BTC Exchange Traded Fund ETF, for which investment manager Van Eck is seeking approval from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, which is the SEC. Should the SEC approve the ETF, State Street will provide services including the ETF basket operations, custody of the ETF shares, funding, accounting, order taking, and transfer agency, the global custodian announced on Tuesday. On Monday, the Chicago Board Options Exchange. These guys here, man. The CBOE filed a Form 19B4 announcing its intention to list shares of VanEck Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund ETF. The form starts a regulatory review process that could lead to the first approved Bitcoin ETF in the U.S. Again, my opinion, I feel like it's not going to be them. I think these other guys are going to push theirs through real fast. Anyway, Goldman Sachs. That's just my opinion. State Street has served as an administrator for VanEck Australia ETF businesses 2016. VanEck Ireland, Netherlands, and the US-based ETFs are also administered by State Street. We are pleased to continue expanding our relationship with the VanEck to support its innovative advancements in the ETF market, including the VanEck Bitcoin Trust. Nadine Shakar, head of State Street Global Markets, said in a press release. The work we have underway with Van Eck is another example of State Street continuing to deliver on our broader strategy of building out the crypto and digital assets ecosystem, which is focused on creating digital cash, custody, and trade post-trade services, trading, and token issuance for these new asset types, Shakar said. Folks, all I can tell you is this. Um, Bitcoin is going to be the world reserve currency. You know, you want to stack your sats. That's all I'm going to say. Last article for the day. Boom. This one is funny to me because everybody, literally every fucking body that has said Bitcoin is a piece of shit, Bitcoin is rat poison, you're stupid if you buy the shit, you know, every last one of them has had to, you know, capitulate and come back and say, you know what? Psh, shit, I'm in. Shark Tank star changes tune on Bitcoin. Yeah, yeah, okay. We'll allocate 3% of his portfolio. 3%, right? I mean, you just think about that. If you got $1 billion, what's 3% of $1 billion? What's 3% of $600 million, right? It's insane. It's gonna be 5, then 10, then 20, then 50, then 75 real soon. Watch. Just mark my words, okay? Kevin O'Leary, Mr. Wonderful himself. Y'all know who Kevin O'Leary is? Let, you know, I'm pretty sure y'all know who Kevin O'Leary is. Let's see. Let's see who's Kevin O'Leary. Kevin O'Leary. Let's look and see. This guy here. Kevin O'Leary. My man. My brother. Yeah. Him. This guy. Kevin O'Leary referenced investor Dan Loeb's deep dive into crypto in his decision to more fully invest it into Bitcoin. Businessman Kevin O'Leary, who appears on the reality TV show Shark Tank and once called Bitcoin a giant nothing burger, has now joined the laser eye community. In a tweet yesterday, O'Leary said he would be allocating 3% of his portfolio to Bitcoin and looking to investing in sustainable crypto mining. Yep. He said his investment in the latter would be aimed to avoid blood coins, a reference to unethically mined diamonds, and under a mandate of zero carbon. Both O'Leary's Instagram and Twitter profile pictures now show the Shark Tank with the laser eyes associated with those keen in crypto. Guys, once again, I'm not going to read the rest of this, but you know his influence. Many of you know his influence. And I tell you, yeah. It's your boy, man, James R. Davis Sr. signing out. If you need some free training, the link is below. All the links are below. I will see you guys soon. Make sure you like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Peace.